See, it's really able to measure the time. Excited to see what's under this table? Keep watching for more videos.
So friends, this is the gear train that BLIX has prepared and sent me. So this was the outcome of our discussion, and the form factor which was not able to fit by the BLIX ecosystem. So they came up with some custom gears, like see, this is the gear 15 gear, this is a 12 gear. So this 12 and 15 gear they don't have, but they just made customized for me so that I can make this clock project. That's thanks a lot to BLIX. And then other things are like, because their diameters are not multiple of other BLIX ecosystem gears or any block, so they cannot fit them back to back with ordinary blocks. So because of that, they had to design some custom blocks. You can see, let me switch on the flash light. You see there are some big gap between two holes, make it fit into the BLIX. So look at the markers and keep following the marker in the hyperlapse. Let me start the motor. So this is the motor which is running in 60 rpm, 60 rotation per minute, and this is the, let me point out through the screwdriver, and so this is the gear which is 12 gear and which is connected to the 60 rpm motor, and next is 60 teeth gear. So 12 by 60, this is your 5 times, it is reducing the speed 5 times, and then this both will be of the same speed, which is a 15 gear motor. So 15 to 60, so this is a 4 times gear reduction, and then further this is 20, so these both are in the same speed, 20 to 60. So 20 to 60 means 3, so 5 into 4 into 3, so total 60. So you are getting a 60 times reduction of the 60 rpm, means 60 by 60 equal to 1 rpm. So this is the 1 rpm, this is the 1 rpm rod or 1 rpm axle, and this is what connected with your second needle. So this is how we are getting the second needle. So 1 rpm is the speed of the second needle. So clear, right? And now from second needle to minute needle, it have to be again 60 times reduction. So the same logic has been repeated. So this is 15, so this is the 12 by 60, so means 5 times reduction. Then this is the 15 by 60, means 4 times, and then this is the 30 by 60, means 3 times. So 5, 4, 3, 5 into 4 into 3, again 60 times reduction. This is the next axle, which is the minute needle. But because this minute needle is rotating counterclockwise, but the needle should always rotate clockwise, right? That's what the meaning of clockwise. So because of that, I have created another set with that. So I just have a same gear next to each other, which will change the direction of the needle but not the speed, because they are of the same number of teeth. Okay, coming back to the next. So now from minute to the hour, it is not 60 times, it is how much? It's an hour, right? So that means it have to reduce much, divided by 12, right? So 12 means 20 by 60, so 3 times, and then you need 12, right? 12 means 3 into 4, so you need a 15 gear down. So there is the 15 gear. So this 15 gear, so 3, 20 to 60 is the 3 times, and then these are of the same speed, and this 15 by 60 means 4, so 3 into 4, 12 times. So this axle is spinning 12 times slower than the minute axle, which is the definition of hour. So this needle is connected with the hour pin, and again it's rotating counterclockwise. So to make it clockwise, I had to put one more gear. But why you see the stack of gears, this is just a design thing. I have to bring that sticker a little bit up. That's why I added extra gears. But just you consider only one gear in the series. So that's how this whole gear train has forwarded from 60 RPM to 1 RPM, and then 1 by 60 RPM, and then finally to something which is 1 by 60 into 12 RPM. So that's what is all about this multi-axis clock project. Thank you so much for staying with me, and hope you like it. Please give some support. Thank you so much.